Hi, this is Maria Athar from La Boutique One. La Boutique One is a marketplace for buying and selling pre-loved fashion in a controlled environment. Did you know fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry in the world? I didn't know too. And that is not even the reason why I started the business. My reason was more personal. I wanted to repeat a clothes for a family wedding in Pakistan and everyone looked at me like I was about to commit a crime. My wardrobe was overflowing with clothes, but I did not have anything to wear. I'm sure most of you can relate with me, and if you can't, then I would definitely suggest that आज अपनी बेगमात की अलमारियां जरूर खोल के देखिएगा. This was exactly the case with my friends and family also. They did not want to repeat the clothes, but did not have a reliable place to turn to. That is when I started researching and found out the adverse side of the fashion industry, especially the fast fashion, and how it's polluting our environment every single day. For all the above problems, we provided one single solution in the form of La Boutique One. Our model is a commission-based model where we charge 20% commission from the seller. Not a bad solution because we do all the dirty and expensive work of marketing, sales, getting the orders, and then telling the seller to send the clothes to the buyer. And all this is done while keeping the identity of the buyer and the seller both anonymous because that is what the customer wanted. How do we know that? We know that because I started the business 3 years ago on Facebook, interacted with hundreds and thousands of women, came up with the model of the business and then started it properly. We have our apps and website already running. We have a social media presence of more than 250,000 users, followers, and they are all accepting that we need this platform and this is the need of the time. We already have good traction in the market. We already have 11,000 downloads of our apps, and similar is the case with our Google Analytics and the traffic towards our website. The target market size of this market is 240 million in Pakistan alone. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry in the West, and I won't be wrong if I say that resale is the new retail. I have studied my competitors' models in detail and know for a fact that my model is the need of the time because I have made the model after interacting with many women and getting to know what they wanted. I'm qualified for this business because I've already worked in a property portal in UAE called Bayouth.com. Maybe you guys know about it. It's a sister concern of Zameen.com. I've handled all their departments single-handedly for a couple of months. I have a team of 10 people with part-time and full-time jobs. So far, I've injected more than $40,000 in the business, and I'm looking to raise $500,000 at the moment. My initial target market would be 125 million visitors and 3,500 downloads on the apps. Let us help people by letting them know that a platform like La Boutique One exists. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask me.